Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management Company. Today in our preventive maintenance series, we're going to discuss water heater preventive maintenance. Based on the manufacturer's suggested service life, the life expectancy of a water heater is roughly 8 to 12 years. Life expectancy can vary from the unit's location, design of the unit, quality of the installation, and the overall water quality. The real issue of preventive maintenance with a water heater is not so much what can be done to extend the water heater's life, as it is to plan for replacement to prevent potential problems. If you're on a board of directors of a multi-stack homeowners association or condominium association, and even a townhome association, aging or failing water heaters can not only be an individual owner problem, they can also be an association problem as well. Failing water heater leaks are one of the most common and can be the most costliest of water leaks because of the sheer volume of water and the potential damage caused to the adjacent units. In many situations, when these water heaters fail, it can cause damage to adjacent units and possibly involve the association's master insurance policy as a result. If your association's insurance becomes involved, it can negatively affect the insurance rates. Insurance underwriters could look at a repeated claims frequency of water heater leaks and raise premiums to offset the expenses or possibly even cancel the association's policy altogether. What can the board of directors do? If the association is being plagued by multiple water heater failures that are affecting other units and that involve the association's insurance policy, the board may want to institute a plan of action with two key points. The first point is communicating to the membership the problem at hand. Ask the membership to check and, if necessary, replace aging water heaters before they fail outright. Communicating this issue goes a long way. Water heaters, like many things, are out of sight, out of mind. So a friendly reminder many times will provide the needed motivation for a member to address theirs. Second point is to seek out reputable contractors to provide pricing on replacing water heaters. Many times, contractors will offer a discount if they can replace multiple water heaters in a close proximity. Providing the membership with potential vendors to complete this task as a possible discount will also make this process easier for members to comply with.